Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and let's quickly see what's going on with VeChain, because VeChain, I told you yesterday, it has hit the bottom, I feel, because pretty good volume in these areas where it's at came all the way down to the 2 cents level, low 2 cents. And again, you can see it created this bearish pattern, but it did break towards the upside, which was a good thing. Obviously, Bitcoin was coming up, so it had to come and break towards the upside, right? Usually, descending triangle breaks towards the downside, but it actually happened to break towards the upside. So it has a price target that it's trying to get to, which is at 0.028 at the right over there, and because that's the price target for the descending triangle. Normally, they come and hit the top of the right over here. It has already done that. Maybe it might go a little bit above. But let's see what happens, because Bitcoin, it all depends where it goes. But again, I'm looking at the bigger picture. These are just small targets. I don't really do short trades. I focus on the long term. So again, what the long term scenario of VeChain is looking like is you can see clearly how this beautiful pattern is coming into effect. And I already gave you this bottom a long time back, okay? Because I was telling you, like, if you take a look at the the Elliott wave theory, if it doesn't break this level, we are still good to go with the Elliott wave, okay? So usually the fourth wave is in between the first and the third wave, so something somewhere maybe could come to its all-time high, or if it breaks that, then there could be a parabolic run towards the upside, okay? So anything is possible. Just take that off, and let me show you something now. Okay, so you can see what's going on with VeChain now is, look at this run over here, okay? The support that it created, okay? Focus on this support. So when how did people know that there was a bull run coming? Okay, this run was coming, which is a bull run. You could always go back to your RSI. You can see momentum was picking up in the RSI, and this was a bullish divergence that was taking place. So this was a great opportunity for most of the people to get in the trade right over here. Why is my give me a So yeah, this was a good opportunity where people could have gotten in, and boom, what a lovely opportunity. This was the Corona dump. But again, this bullish divergence that was taking place. Similarly, okay, if we come over here now, you can see a similar situation is going on. We have a downtrend, okay, no bullish divergence yet in the weekly, okay. Take a look at the monthly, no bullish divergence. So no bullish divergence in the weekly yet. I will simply just draw this line just to be careful. Okay. Now, when you see a bullish divergence taking place, however that might be, that would be a first indication. But this pattern is taking a shape of a beautiful falling wedge as well. Okay. Where it's doing something like boom, 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 boom. Okay. So it has the potential to go all the way up to the 0.618 level. Yeah, I'll draw it again. What's going on? Right over here. So you can see this wedge, the resistance line of the wedge, makes perfect sense where it can hit the 0.618 level at 0.03925. Okay. If it breaks this resistance, obviously then this Elliott wave theory, it's in effect, and usually the wedge goes all the way back up right over here where it started. Okay. Might come here, come down, come here. You can also see inverse head and shoulder pattern is being formed, and then there will be a target for the inverse head and shoulder pattern, might be right over here. And if this happens, it breaks this all-time high, it can certainly go to the 1.272 level. Okay, so a parabolic move can happen. This is the bullish case scenario, okay? We cannot ignore the bearish case. Let's say it breaks this level. Why do I say this is a very strong level? Last time I showed you in the VPVR. Look at this. Look at this volume and look at this volume. This is where all the basically the I guess the whales are sitting. So if it breaks this area, there's nothing. I don't think it's gonna go down as much as it did over here, okay? Because it's already at a very significant drop from its high. It's a 92% drop. Let's see how much of a drop was this. 87%. The drop was 75. Drop was 80%. So this is the highest drop VECHAIN has ever seen from its previous history. Okay, so I really don't feel it. If it goes further down, then I feel that Bitcoin has actually gone to hell. That's what that means. Okay, but at the moment it's making a bullish pattern, and oops, sorry, and I think it has full capability. And look at this. Okay, I'm sorry if you guys didn't see it in the screen. I had it zoomed in, so you can see at the moment the bearish, I mean, it's not making a bullish divergence. So whenever you see that bullish divergence, that's an indication that VeChain has done something different this time. And you could also come and make this line. So you know that when it's going to break this resistance in the RSI, this resistance is going to get broken. So you can see, and you can see how similar these patterns are, okay, and the RSI and the charts. But yeah, guys, this is it for VeChain. At the moment, I think it's looking beautiful. I love the way the pattern is forming. It's doing everything the right way and going to the right direction. Even the Elliott wave theory is actually taking, I mean, it's going accordingly to the plan. Okay, and the falling wedge, bullish pattern being formed. So volume, price action volume here. So things I think can look really tasty if Bitcoin decides to go to 30,000. I believe this can be broken and so on. Okay, because even if you take your uh, Fibonacci and measure this move now, considering this is the bottom, you can clearly see the 0.618 level is also sitting at that level, 0.038, about 0.039. If it breaks this, this is the next level, 0.618, 0.05890. So it's gonna go according to these Fibonacci levels, step by step. Okay, so watch out for these areas, but it needs to break this resistance line. Bull mode will be on. Okay. Hopefully this video brought you some new information. If you're liking this kind of content for VeChain, hit the subscribe button and like my videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.